This is it, the last one. And I'll let you all listen.
The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully. A civil authority has issued a required weekly test for American Samoa, beginning at 06 p.m. and ending at 07 p.m. Message from IPASCAP. Test message IPAS Open CAP ESV configuration test message. This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety.
Alright, that's it.
Starting January 1st, they have to have batteries basically assembled in the United States, and the materials that are used to assemble those batteries have to basically be coming from North America.
Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System.
Emergency Alert System. This has been a test of the Emergency Alert System, designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air One. Worship now.
Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties, in Montana, Cascade, Choteau, Judith Basin, and more. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Mark County in central Montana, Judith Elizabeth Basin County in central Montana, southwestern Choteau County in north central Montana, eastern Cascade County in central Montana, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Alachua, Florida, and Marion, Florida, beginning at